In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Monday.com. Sharing a board is one of the easiest ways to collaborate with your internal team and make sure everyone is looking at the same information in real time. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to invite your teammates to a board, and I'll also highlight a few tips along the way so you avoid common mistakes. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you've opened the specific board you want to share. This might be a project board, a sales pipeline, a content calendar, or any other workspace you've set up. It's important that you're actually inside the board itself, not just looking at your list of all boards. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the groups, items, and columns for that particular workflow. Once you're on the correct board, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see an invite button, or in some layouts, a small people icon that represents the sharing options. Both take you to the same place. Go ahead and click that. This opens the invitation panel, where you can decide who gets access to this board. In the invitation field that appears, start typing the name or email of the team member you'd like to invite. If they're already part of your Monday.com account, their profile should appear as you type their name. This makes it quick to add internal teammates you regularly work with. If you're using emails, be sure you enter them correctly, as typos can prevent people from receiving their invite. When you see the correct user appear in the suggestions, click on their name to select them. At this point, you can usually confirm their permissions later if needed, but to keep things simple, just focus on getting them added to the board first. After selecting the user, look for the invite button in the panel and click it. Monday.com will now send an invitation, and that person will gain access to the board. That's all you need to do to share a board with your internal team members in Monday.com. By following these steps, you can quickly bring the right people into your workflow so everyone stays aligned, informed, and able to collaborate efficiently.